Hola mi vidas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a girls night get ready with me video. So if you saw my recent vlog, the mess that I had was from this video. I no longer use liquid foundation. My acne has cleared up. So right now at the moment I'm just doing concealer and powder that matches my skin tone. I feel like the concealer already does most of the work to brighten up your under eyes, and then I use the concealer to highlight a little bit, and I'll go on any like dark spots, and then I'll set my face with the powder that matches my skin tone. After that I bake a little bit and then light contour. I'm not doing heavy contour like I used to anymore, and we'll see. I might revisit liquid foundation, but as of right now this has been my go-to routine. It's fast, and then once you set your face, it just looks so natural and it doesn't look like powder, you know? All right, so for my hair, I didn't straighten it myself. I got it done at the Dominican salon and I asked for a haircut. I asked for long bangs that start at my chin with layers in the front, no layers in the back. And I started longer on my bangs just because my hair is curly. You know, I have to check to see how it looks curly before I cut my bang shorter or whatever. I'm going to be tying out my hair into a little ponytail just so my short hair doesn't show in the front with the clip-ins. I like to do this little trick. It works amazing. Even though my hair is long, it's still like, if I don't do this, I feel like it'll show where my short hair is. So that's why I like to hide it like this. I just washed the extensions and I'm going to flat iron them lightly because I don't like to have the extensions bone straight. The reason why I love these extensions is because the texture of it matches my hair. Like the poofness blends perfectly with mine. My hair isn't like super straight when I straighten it. So I'm just smoothing it out with my flat iron on the lowest setting. After this, I don't touch the extensions again unless I wash the extensions. But I do not re-flat iron my hair, obviously, just the extensions after I place them as I'm applying it to my head. And I have a question for you guys. I need your opinion. Leave me a comment about this down below. So I'm going to be selling my extensions to my sister because I'm going to get longer ones. And these extensions cost $310. I said I would sell them to her for $200. Do you guys think that's fair? Me taking just $100 off because she feels like I should take a little more off and give her a family friends discount, but I think that is a discount. You know, these are good extensions. There's nothing wrong with them. I take really good care of all my stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys think is fair. Okay, so for my outfit, I'm going to be doing this Zara dress, and I'll be using my favorite faja that gives me a light snatch. The leg part, I usually adjust to how short whichever outfit is that I use it with is. But that's it. I'll link everything down below. If you guys want to see how this outfit looks, check out my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.